Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you what to do if Google Drive won't sync or load. So if your Google Drive isn't syncing or loading properly, there are several troubleshooting steps that you can take to resolve the issue. And to this video, I'm going to show you the guide. First, you can check your internet connection. Uh, if it's not load, you need to ensure that your device is connected to a stable internet connection, and you can try to restore your router if necessary or switch to a different network. You can also just restart your Google Drive, so you can refresh the page or just close the browser first and then reopen it again on or try a different browser to see if the issue persists. And you need to verify your account and permissions, so ensure you are signed into the correct Google account and check if you have sufficient permission to access shared files or folders. So in browser, you can also clear the cache and cookies first. You can go to the browser settings, and here I'm using Chrome, so I'm going to just go to the settings in here and tap on the privacy and security, and here choose to delete browsing data and check on cookies and also cache image and files and tap on delete data. And after that, you can just restart the browser and try accessing the Google Drive again. And don't forget to update or reinstall Google Drive. So you need to ensure that you are using the latest version of Google Drive if you are using it on desktop. And ensure you have not exceeded your Google Drive storage quota. You can see I have 81% full storage, so I need to check that I have enough space for me to load the Google Drive properly. You need to also disable firewall or antivirus temporarily because your firewall or antivirus software may block Google Drive's connection. And you can also test in incognito mode or safe mode. You can open Google Drive in an incognito or private browsing window to see if the browser extensions or settings are causing the issue. So if the solutions that I stated before fails, you can also contact Google support through the Google Help Center for further assistance. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks. Bye.